Good morning, my dear class 10 students. Today we are going to deal with the topic sector and segment in the chapter areas related to circles. Let's see what are sectors and segments of a circle. From the figure, you can see what is the difference between sector and segment. Here you can see the sector is the portion enclosed by two radii and an arc. But what is segment? Segment is the portion enclosed by a chord and an arc. A chord and an arc. So let's see what's the definition. Sector of a circle. A sector of a circle is the portion of a circle enclosed by two radii and an arc. By two radii and an arc. It is clear from the figure. This is the first radius and this is the second radius. And if the portion is small, we name it as minor sector. And if the portion is large, we'll call it as major sector. Now, how will you calculate the area of a sector? Now, this is a sector given to you. The circle with center O, the radius of the circle is R, and the angle subtended by the two radius is theta. So, what is the area of the sector? Area of the sector is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Once again, area of a sector is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So remember the formula to find the area of sector of a circle. Now, segment of a circle. The segment of a circle is the region bounded by a chord and the arc subtended by the chord. Now, segment is the region bounded by a chord and the arc subtended by the chord. Okay? So, the major portion is known as major segment and the smaller portion is known as minor segment. Now, how will you find the area of a segment? Area of a minor segment. Now, look here children. This is a minor sector. This portion, the full portion is known as minor sector. Then how will you find the area of this segment? The red color denotes the segment, minor segment. How will you find the area of a minor segment? Area of the minor sector, which is the minor sector here? This full portion, green plus red is the minor sector. Green area plus red area is the minor sector. From the minor sector, if you are subtracting the area of this green triangle, you will get the area of the minor segment. So, what is the area of the minor segment? Area of the minor sector minus area of the triangle formed by the chord. First question from exercise 12.2. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius r 6 cm if angle of the sector is 60 degree. Here this is a direct problem because radius of the circle and the angle of the sector is given to you. So you need only to substitute the real values in the formula. So what is the formula? Area of a sector is equal to pi r square into theta by 360 degree. Area of sector equal to pi r square into theta by 360 degree. Here r is 6 centimeter, theta is 60 degree. So after substituting the values, pi 22 by 7, r is 6 centimeter, theta equal to 60 degree, you will get the answer as 18.86 centimeter square. So once again, area of the sector of a circle is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. So what is given in your question? You are given a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Students, you know that the formula for circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So 22 centimeter is the circumference. So I'll equate it. 2 pi r is equal to 22 centimeter. So 2 into 22 by 7. What is 22 by 7? The value of pi. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22 centimeter. Solving for radius r, you will get it as 7 by 2 centimeter. Now, what is a quadrant? In Saturday's class, I taught you what is a quadrant. When a circle is divided into 4 equal parts, each section is known as the quadrant. What is a quadrant? When a circle is divided into 4 equal parts, each part is known as a quadrant. So, if the area of a circle is pi r square, the whole circle is divided into 4, isn't it? So, area of a quadrant is equal to pi r square divided by 4. You know the values of pi, that is 22 by 7, r into r, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 divided by 4. So, the answer is 77 by 8 centimeter square. Students, you can do the same question in another way. Can you tell me what will be the angle of the sector if the circle is divided into 4 equal parts? If a circle is divided into 4 equal parts, what will be the angle of each sector? The angle of each sector will be 90 degree. Okay, what is the angle of the sector? 90 degree. So the angle of a quadrant is 90 degree. So you can use the area of quadrant formula as pi r square theta by 360. Here theta is 90 degree. That you should know. Okay. Now if you use both any of these two equations, you will get the same answer. Here I used pi r square by 4 and I got 77 by 8. Here also I got 77 by 8. Study any one method and apply that in your question. Next one. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. So take that as the radius of your circle. Imagine a circular clock. The length of the minute hand, you will take it as radius. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Students, can you imagine a circle? Now, what is the total area angle made by a circle? It is 360 degree. Angle described by the minute hand in 60 minutes is 360 degree. That is, if the minute hand goes one round in the clock, okay, that is 360 degree. How long will it take when the minute hand starts from 12 and rotates and completes one round and reaches 12 back? It covers 360 degree. So angle described by the minute hand in 1 minute. In 60 minutes, it is 360 degree. So 1 minute, it will be 360 degree divided by 60. That is 6 degrees. Students, this is very, very, very important. Angle described by the minute hand in 1 minute is equal to 6 degree. So, here in the question, how many minutes? 5 minutes. So, angle described by the minute hand in 5 minutes is equal to 6 into 5, 30. Angle described by the minute hand in 5 minutes is equal to 6 into 5, 30. So, angle you got, radius you got. Now, using the area of the sector, you can calculate the area. What is the formula for area of the sector? Pi r square into theta by 360 degree. Once again, pi r square into theta by 360 degree. Can you tell me what is the value of theta in this question? It is 30 degree. Pi value is 22 by 7. R into R, 14 into 14 into 30 by 360 degree. So, after calculation, you will get the final answer as 51.33 centimeter square. Okay, let's go for the next question. Before that, reminding you, angle described by the minute hand in 60 minutes is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, angle described by the minute hand in 1 minute is equal to 6 degree. That you should learn. It will not be given in your question. Next question. A chord of circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. Now you can see this is the sector. Okay, radius is 10. Here also 10 and the angle of degree is 90 degree. So you will get the area of the minor sector. Listen here, I am talking about minor sector. Okay, now how will you calculate the area of minor segment? You will calculate the area of minor segment by subtracting the area of this triangle AOB from this. Students, you have a formula for finding the area of the triangle. Let's see. Area of triangle AOB formed with radius and chord. What is the formula? 1 by 2 r square sin theta. What is the formula? 1 by 2 r square sin theta. That you have to learn. Okay. This is the formula which you learn here. Pi r square into theta by 360. What is that? It is the area of the minor sector. It is the area of the minor sector. So, area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Substituting the values, you will get 28.5 centimeter square. 28.5 centimeter square. So, you got the area of this minor segment. How will you find the area of this major segment? If you know the area of the whole circle and this one, you can subtract. So, area of the major segment is equal to area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. Area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. So, after substituting the values, here R is 10 and this one, area of the minor segment, you got it from here. The answer is 285.5. So, the next questions we'll discuss in the next video.